So we're just doing a demonstration of the Yamaha Music Cast system. I've got Carolina here that will adjust the volume on this iPad. So that's currently casting up to the amplifier you can see here, which is part of the Yamaha ecosystem. You'll notice on the display above there, the volume changes as Carolina changes those volume controls. And we've got that set up locally here with these speakers, but of course this would generally be installed in a home or an office. We can pause that and disconnect this device. And then if we had another device like this phone, press the connect button down here, choose the office speaker system. Takes a few seconds to connect and it will start playing through the main speakers. This is another amp that also supports Music Cast, so you can have as many of these as you want in the household, having different speaker sets on each of the Yamaha Music Cast amps. And we'll also follow Carolina into the other office where we have a demonstration of a boardroom PC. So this is running a Spotify account, so Carolyn will just hit play on that. That's going to come through the local speaker here, or we can hit the casting button from Spotify and choose Office, and then that will dynamically reassign to the other room, and then you've got your main controls there on the volume. If you just pump that up a little bit, Carolina, up to the top. So that's from those speakers back there. And that's how the Yamaha Music Cast system works. AV King, if you'd like a demonstration. Thank you.